Well, we were able to get it out, but it turns out that that solder joint was basically like a weld. It would have broken the screw, so I had to reheat it and take it apart. So now what we'll try to do is clean it up, see if it will fit in. It feels a lot tighter, and it may do the trick, but I really didn't expect the solder would be that strong, but boy, it really was. I think this is silver solder. I don't know if that makes a difference, or the heat of the soldering gun, but learn something new every day. That was usually I can't get something to stick that well if I wanted it to. So, you never know. Now the question is, will this little extra solder still allow this to penetrate? And will it make a difference? Well, it does feel pretty darn tight, so that's pretty good. Now the question is, will it still fit through the motor housing? No, of course not. So I'm going to file off some of this solder, because I think if I use that gun again, this will just become a solder covered spike instead of a little brass screw. Let's see about now. Almost. Okay, it looks good. And it looks like it will just fit through here. So that's good. So let's see, will this now go into place? Got a little blood on my finger. Guess I was a little too zealous with the file. I have blood on my hands. Literally, not in the bad way. But I think I need a Band-Aid, because I'm going to be bleeding all over the project, which is not good. Okay, time for a break.